Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to cook shrimp paste wintermelon soup. This soup with shrimp and wintermelon sweetness, which is delicious and it is simple to make, and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Wintermelon consumption may reduce blood sugar levels. It may improve eyesight and protect the eyes from damage due to aging. It helps reduce dark spots and wrinkles on your skin. Wintermelon is rich in potassium that, when eaten in excess, causes gastrointestinal discomfort and nausea. Ingredients are wintermelon, shrimp paste, eggs, and ginger. You can buy shrimp paste for steamboat from grocery store. It's convenient. Chopped ginger. Wintermelon removes skin and seeds. Cut into thin slices. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Fried egg. Stir-fry chopped ginger. big bowl of hot water. Optional to cut egg into small pieces. Once boiled, add winter melon slices. Cover the pot and simmer for a while to release the flavor. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Cut the shrimp packaging and squeeze them shrimp paste into the soup. Use spoon to cut the shrimp paste. Let it cook until shrimp paste is cooked. Pay attention to the cooking time of the shrimp slippery. Generally, you cannot just rinse it for a few times and then eat it. You need to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes so that the shrimp slippery food is cooked. Usually, when you see the shrimp slippery surface floating out, it means it is cooked. Otherwise, it will become more stringent if cooked for a long time. The harder it is cooked, the less chewy and crispy it will be. Pour winter melon shrimp paste soup into soup bowl. Optional to garnish with coriander. Delicious low carbohydrates winter melon shrimp paste soup is done. Winter melon, also known as slimming melon and slimming melon, is a high-fiber and low-calorie food that can increase satiety, promote gastrointestinal motility, and slow down absorption and digestion. Therefore, winter melon is a good helper for losing weight. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it. Yeah, follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page as there are 2,000 of delicious recipes waiting for you if you are willing. Please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.